we're going to define our goal.
Yeah.
Okay, in 6 weeks time.
Okay.
6 weeks time, because people will definitely experience improvement within 6 weeks time.
Okay.
Okay, I'd say that people experience improvement within 10 minutes.
Okay.
We will check in and see if this method is working.
Okay.
If it's not working, no need to do anything further.
Okay. Okay.
Find somebody who is better.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is how confident I am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, 3 months. We're going to answer the question. Has my work improved? If in 3 months' time your work has not improved, then there's no reason why you should continue.
Yeah.
Right? Nicholas's goal is to get to 8. What is your goal? You tell me.
My goal is to have like 9.
9. Okay. You're ambitious.
Yeah, I'm very ambitious.
That's good.
Okay.
So he started working for Catholic Pacific, right? I taught him and also gave him one tip. One tip. Not even an English technique.
Okay.
One tip. Based on that one tip, he's got over 50 recommendation letters from the pilots he serves.
Okay, what is that tip?
So his English is really bad. Okay, he's very, very tongue-tied. He's very nervous when it comes to just like you, right? I said to him, look, whenever you have a pilot come to you with the problems with their phones or what have you, right? Don't worry. My knowledge of the iPhone